Bearded men are in trend with their charm. One can grow a heavy beard, but it's the proper care and maintenance of the beard that makes you look more irresistible and well-groomed. Take a few drops of almond and thyme beard oil based on your beard's length. Gently massage your beard to soften it. Use almond and thyme beard wash to rinse out dirt from your beard. Wash properly to remove any dead skin cells and rinse thoroughly with warm water. Take a considerable amount of almond and thyme wax based on your beard's length. Massage gently for a smoother finish and a glowing effect. Comb your beard slowly and gently. This will give you the desired look.